Hi guys, and welcome back to Enjoyable Characters. I'm your host, Joy. And today, you know what? I'm going to be easy on you. We are going to start with a character that you can see in the Chinese name of China, in the name of the language you are learning right now, and where you can see in coffee shops. For example, when you're ordering coffee and you're choosing the sizes. I want the large size, the small size, and what else? Yes, the medium size. Today we are going to start with medium. 中 中 Okay, so you can imagine it as a loaf of bread, which is cut through the middle with a knife. When you walk through major cities, you can often see this character, 中, combined with another very simple character, which means heart, 心. 中心 combined means center, like in World Trade Center or Information Center. When you are in China, the real estates really like to name their buildings with 中心 as an ending because it shows power and authority. Center, 中心. Fun fact, when you combine 心 with another very easy character, 小, it becomes the phrase, be careful. 小心. It literally means like small heart. But for us, it means be careful. For example, you cross the street and then a car drives by you, 小心. When the floor is wet, 小心. Okay, so now you know 小 is small, 中 is medium. What's missing? Big. Big in Chinese is 大. You can see this character is also very easy to remember because it's like a person that's stretching out his arms, right? So, how big is your love for enjoyable characters? I hope it's this big. Here's something interesting about the Chinese language. We often put characters that have opposite meanings together, and together they form another meaning. An example is 大, big, and 小, small. Combined together, 大小 means size. So back in the coffee shop again, the waiter will often ask you the question, which size do you want? And the characters they use are 大小, 大小. Another example is 东西, 东西. Dong means east and xi means west. You can think of it as from east to west, there are so many different things, so many different stuff. So 东西 means stuff. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.